Okay, that's another one completed. This is a Gentian blue 718 Boxster Spyder. This is a fully PPF'd car. That was done previous to it arriving here. It was actually done when it was new. The customer wasn't happy with the coatings that were on top of the PPF, so this one has had a single stage of machine polishing to all the PPF just to remove what was on there, if anything was on there. To be honest, it was very, very flat, wasn't exhibiting any sort of water behaviour at all, apart from obviously from what the PPF itself gives you. So a single stage of machine polishing to all that, panel wipe to all the PPF. This has then had dual layers of Titan Vulcan TX155, which is their omniphobic coating. It's had wheels off, so wheels, calipers, they've all been coated with Titan's new version of Pyro. Titan are bringing out what they call a Dark Matter version of coatings, which I think will supersede the existing ones. So wheels, calipers, exhaust tips have all had Pyro Dark Matter. All the glass, that's also had Dark Matter version of Hyperglass, dual layers. Roof has been proofed, so the roof, convertible roof, has had 2 layers of Fabsil Gold. It's had a very, very light interior detail. Didn't really need an awful lot. It's got a really nice spec inside. It's got contrast stitching, extended leather, sports chrono. It's one of the few that I've ever seen with the steering cowling in extended leather. These are the fuse box covers, also leather. Good to go, really. Pretty important to have a decent amount of protection on top of your PPF, really. Being omniphobic, Vulcan will literally repel anything that's thrown at it. It's not just hydrophobic, it's omniphobic. So it will make maintenance an absolute breeze. The McLaren in the background's also got that on top of the PPF as well, and from first-hand knowledge of how to, or when I'm valeting it, it's incredibly easy to maintain. Anyway, this one's going sometime today, another one arriving later. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with any detailing related inquiries.